Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Collectors.teeing. So this is something we are going to understand and what is the use cases, what to use it, and how it is going to helpful for our code writing, right? So let us try to understand that we are working for a cafe company, and my job is I have to print the average price of the items, and also I have to display the most expensive price, right? Maximum value per item. So these are the two jobs that I have to display in the screen. So to do this, we know we can do our normal coding. We can calculate the average, and we can calculate the maximum separately into two different statements, right? That is something we can do. But instead of using this different approach, what we can try to see over here, we'll be trying to use teeing, and we'll see how this is going to be helpful for us. Let me show you the code. Here you can see that I have displaying you two approaches. One is your normal approach, another is your the teeing approach. Now you can understand the difference between these two. Here I am first calculating the average price, and from this one I am calculating the maximum price, right? But from this case you can see I am using the collectors.teeing. It is separating my collection of steam into two different parts. One is your I'm calculating the average price, and from here I'm calculating the maximum price. So averaging by int, and on menu item I'm doing the average calculation on the price. Similarly, I'm calculating the maximum value item by using the comparator, and on menu items on top of by using the prices of the menu. So this is how I'm going to calculate the maximum price, and then finally I'm going to store them into a variable, or let's say this is my object type, or you can say any of the class type you can return. So there I'm going to return it. Let me to quickly go to the code, and I'll show you the code that we are going to use here. So this is the code that I have here right now. Here you can see once again we are using the record over here. So this record is nothing but, you can see this is my data provider class, and here I'm going to add all this data, right? And after that I'm applying the teeing collectors.teeing on top of menus.steam, right? And then I'm calculating the first operation I'm doing, that is my average price, and the second operation what I'm performing over here, that is I'm calculating the maximum price, right? So this is how my code is look like. And after that finally I'm going to return this average price and maximum price by in a form of array of object. So that is something I'm storing into menu status, and this menu status I'm going to print the average price. This is my average price I'm calculating, and this is my maximum price I'm getting from that array. And then finally I'm just printing it, right? That's it, the code. Let me run this code, and I'll show you the output. And if I run this code now, here you can see we are getting this output. So we are getting average price, we are getting, you can see the maximum price. So that's it from this video.